Hello and welcome to TechBaffle. James here, and today we're going to look at the CZUR Purify Smart Notebook. Imagine handwriting all your notes and them actually being recognised by your smartphone. Well, this smart notebook does just that. I've got mine in Infinity Black. Let's take a look. So this smart notebook can be used in any way you'd use a traditional notebook. You can use it for writing shopping lists, reminders, a diary. It isn't just any notebook because it actually works with an app. Very nice presentation. Capture every single word. CZUR Purify Series Notebook. I'm pleased to announce the TechBaffle CZUR International Giveaway. We're giving away 2 CZUR Purify Smart Notebooks and 3 CZUR Reward Metal Bookmarks. You can even select your favourite colour. To enter, please visit techbaffle.com/win. The more entries, the more chances you have to win. Good luck. On the back we have a user guide so you can get started within seconds. So let's take a look inside. So this is a really nice quality notebook. It uses a PU leather cover which has this really nice peachy soft touch effect. On the back we have designed by CZUR. In terms of the size, it's A5. It's not too heavy either, so this is perfect for popping in a bag and taking with you. So inside the book we have Continue Zeal Until Real. CZUR Smart Office, finishing this really nice gold leaf effect. In terms of the pages themselves, it has 80 GSM papers. Good thickness, so this should work with a variety of different pens. As you can see, each page number is at the bottom. Each page has lines which should keep your notes nice and neat. Without further ado, let's go ahead and test out its smart notebook abilities and also if it can recognise my handwriting. So I'm going to get my smartphone and I'm just going to scan the QR code. So we have the CZUR website and we have links for the App Store, Google Play and Android. I'll download it from Google Play. Here we go. So the CZUR app is now installed. Let's go ahead and open it. Once you've read the privacy policy, agree. Okay, so I don't currently have a CZUR account, so I'm just going to go ahead and register. There we go, so I'm now registered on the app. Click plus in the top right corner and add notebook. There we go. So we've got our notebook on the app. We'll click the notebook icon. Congratulations, 50 times OCR awarded for first time use. Okay. So we can actually increase this limit by adding our OCR code. Press the menu button in the top right corner. Enter the code on the back of the notebook to get 192 times of handwriting recognition. So to get the OCR code, you just peel the label off the back and select add OCR code. So at the moment we've got 50 times. So we'll enter the OCR code. And there we go, we've actually upgraded it to 242 times. So let's go ahead and write some notes. So what I'm going to do is write a shopping list. I need some exclamation mark. Let's go ahead and scan our first note. So do add notebook. We'll name our notebook Cool Notes. Okay, we can't do emojis. Confirm. And there we go, we have our cool notes. So let's go ahead and scan our notes. So as you can see, there's a little camera icon at the bottom. Smart notebook, a picture can be taken when the page number pops up. Start use. So there we go. So we just arrange the camera so we can see those blue brackets and the page number. And then take the picture. Now it's scanning our notes. As simple as that, it's done. You can also add a flash as well if you want it to come out in more difficult lighting. And there we go, we have our shopping list. So whilst you can just save your handwriting, we can actually convert this handwriting into text. So there's a button down here called OCR. You can select up to 12 different languages. So I'm going to select English. Finish. Notification, please write neatly. Scroll will cause OCR failed. And there we go, we have our converted result. So you can copy that to clipboard. So you can actually use any app, this is just my Samsung Notes app, to paste the notes that you've written down, and there you go. So in terms of how correct it is, it's actually done pretty well. It's probably partly due to my handwriting as well. So it did say closes at S PM today. My S wasn't particularly good. It's pretty much done a very good job. So this pen is a uni-ball needle micro, so it's a rollable pen. Ink can pierce through the pages. As you can tell, it's done a very good job and we've had very minimal ink going through the page. So the next pen I'm going to try out is a Britannia pen from the cruise ship. This is a ballpoint pen. So what I'm going to do for this page is write a diary. Dear diary. And there we go, we've written our diary. So let's go ahead and go back into our cool notes. Let's go ahead and add a new page. Go ahead and press it. So one cool thing, as you noticed, it actually manages to correct the skewing. It actually manages to make it look nice and flat. Let's go ahead and press the OCR button. And there we go. As quick as that, it is really quick. It's converted our handwriting into text. So we can go ahead and copy and go ahead and paste it. There we go. Just like that, my notes are now on my phone. Dear diary, me and Oscar went for a long walk through the park. He was very well behaved and even managed to find a ball. Once we were home, we had fish and chips. Yes, Oscar helped with that. I even went a bit wrong there where the fish is, so my F there was a bit wonky. But it had absolutely no problem figuring that out, so that's really cool. There you go, there's no sort of typos. It's actually worked really well, so I'm very impressed with that. A big thanks to CZUR for sending me this in to review. The CZUR Purify Smart Notebook is a great way to write and organise your notes. Finished in a soft PU leather with 80 GSM paper, it feels high quality. You can get it in night sky blue, infinity black, medium red and soft pink. With the CZUR app, you can scan, store and share your notes in the cloud. The OCR function, using Google technology, transforms your handwritten notes into text. Ideal for note apps, documents and social media. It works surprisingly well, plus recognises up to 12 languages. It claims to be 95% accurate, but seemed to handle my messy handwriting. I wish you could store the text on the CZUR app though. The CZUR Purify is A5 with 192 pages. At only 268 grams, it's easy to take with you on the go. Overall, it gets a TechBaffle rating of 4 out of 5. You can buy this at shop.czur.com. Check the link in the description. Use coupon code CZURNB for 15% off. Don't forget about the TechBaffle CZUR International giveaway. We're giving away 2 CZUR Purify Smart Notebooks and 3 CZUR Reward Metal Bookmarks. You can even select your favourite colour. To enter, please visit techbaffle.com/win. The more entries, the more chances you have to win. Good luck. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, smash that like button. If you want any more of this sort of thing, don't forget to subscribe and ding so you don't miss a thing. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok and Snapchat. Follow me at TechBaffle. For all latest, head over to techbaffle.com. Thanks for watching and have a baffling day.